Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all of you.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm really good. Anushri, Palaksha, then Gagan Gowda, Tanisha, Likith, Vikas, Meenu, Shahar, Fahad. All of you, good afternoon.
Had
Good
your lunch,
afternoon.
ma'am?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So yesterday we had done about articles, right? I had started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak about a particular person, place, thing. Got it yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
One. Okay?
No
No
doubts,
doubts,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I'm going for the definite article where should be used. In the second condition, what we are going to use? A singular noun. Used as a whole class. We use the, though it is singular noun. In subject and verb agreement, if subject is singular, the verb also has to be singular. But pay attention here. Though the noun is singular, but we are taking it as a whole. Now, when you are speaking of the whole class of camels, now you have this proverb: the camel is the desert of the, sorry, the ship of the desert.
Yes, ma'am.
The camel. Though before the singular noun, we add a or an before the countable nouns. Countable nouns are mine and put noun. A and an is written before the countable noun. We are taking camel, we are not taking camels. But we are taking the whole class of camels. Our kula, purti kula ne tamanta idini. Then you have to take singular. The camel is called as the ship of the desert. See here, though this is singular, but I am speaking about all the camels available on this earth. At that junction, what I have to do? I have to write definite article the. Understood? The cow is a useful animal. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We are speaking in general. The dog is a faithful animal. The rose is the sweetest flower. In general, we say the student life is the best life. See, because we are speaking about the whole class of cow, we are speaking the whole class of dog, we are speaking the whole class of rose, we are speaking about every student. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ though they are singular but we are speaking of the whole class. At that junction, before the noun, you have to add definite article the. This is noun, though singular, but we are adding the. Understood? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Any doubts?
No doubt.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
doubt, ma'am.
Understand, when we are speaking of the whole class of any noun, It may be human being, it may be person, place, animal, thing. You are speaking about anything, any person, any noun, though it is singular. But when you speak of the whole class about it, ಅವ್ರದೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರದೇ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we always take as the in front of the noun. Though we write a camel is walking on the desert. Then we write a camel because we are seeing one camel. Then you can say the camels are walking on the desert. Then you whatever camels you have seen. But this we are speaking of the class of the camels. That's why when you speak of the whole class of any noun, though it is singular, we write definite article the. Okay, dear students? Any doubt? If you have doubts, please clarify.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, right now. Okay, right now. Here the is used.
Ma'am, video is not visible, ma'am.
Video is not visible. You are not able to see.
Ma'am, that side what you have written, it is little.
See now. See now. The board is not visible.
I'm not.
No, ma'am. You have written the words that we can't see, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Now clear, ma'am.
I was out of the camera. The is used. It's all. I should mark my conditions from here to. Finished? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third condition, where we use article the before the noun. When you write with names of Gulf, oceans, rivers, mountains, or islands, we write definite article before it. Note is a proper noun. Example, the Pacific Ocean. Why? Why we write the Pacific Ocean? Yes.
It is singular.
A. Why we write with the names Gulf, oceans, rivers, mountains, or island? Because they are only one of its kind.
Yes.
Very important. When one is found, they are unique. To represent them, they are unique. One of its kind is being found. We use article the before their names. You never say Pacific Ocean, you always have to say the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, how many ever oceans are there, how many ever rivers are there, the Narmada, the Krishna, the Tapti, we say all this, the Tungabhadra, we never say only Tungabhadra river. We always have to address with definite article the. That is the rule, because they are one of its kind. You cannot find Pacific Oceans, you cannot find two Red Seas, you cannot find anything two. These are all one. Any doubts?
No.
You can write the Persian Gulf, write as many as you want. Finished? Any doubts?
No
Any
doubt.
doubts? No? Sure? Okay. Then write. Finished? Finished, dear students?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay. Right in the board. The next condition we use is before certain names of the books. We write article the before certain books. Can you give me some examples?
The Bhagavad Gita.
Very good. Example,
The Merchant of Venice.
the Vedas,
The Merchant of Venice.
the Merchant of Venice. But that is, he has kept that name actually. It is specifying one merchant. So the Merchant of Venice cannot be taken into consideration.
The holy book.
No, only the holy books, yes. The Vedas, the
The
Upanishads,
Upanishads.
the Quran, the Bible. There are so many. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, they are big. But one condition. But when we write Homer's Iliad, Valmiki's
Ramayana.
Why? Because we are writing the names of the authors.
J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter.
Yes, yes. Then you cannot write before the proper noun, the you cannot write. In front of anyone's name, you cannot write. Condition, anything you should not write. No article comes before the proper noun. You should not write anything. But these, one of its kind. Veda, one of its kind. Upanishad, one of its kind. Quran, one of its kind. Bible, one of its kind. Ramayana, one of its kind. Mahabharata, one of its kind. They are all one of its kind. Because to give them due respect, because they are holy, to give them due respect, they have added the. Please keep this in mind. But when you are writing about the writer, Then you cannot write Homer's the Iliad. So then Valmiki is the Ramayana, you cannot write. Valmiki is Ramayana. Ramayana was written by Valmiki, Iliad was written by, or Odyssey was written by Homer. Okay? You write this. I'm making it as simple as possible for you. If you find it difficult still, please let me know.
Ma'am, old man at the beach can't be, ma'am.
I can't hear you, dear. Your voice is not clear. Yes, to me.
Ma'am, the old man at the bridge.
The
Old man at the bridge.
that's a sentence. Don't worry for sentence. I'm speaking of certain books. Don't worry for sentence. Don't go for sentence. Don't complicate your mind. First thing, understand that these books, they are represented with definite article. When I have to write about all these books, even any, I have to add that. Keep in mind. The rest I'll go later. You'll get confused now. Here, Homer's Iliad only I have to write. Valmiki's Ramayana only I have to write. I cannot add the. These are the conditions. This is no small note to you. But where I have to add the is more important for you. Okay? Whoever it is, Shahada, Abhay, whoever it is, who asked me this question? Or Vikas, who asked me this question?
Ma'am, Fahad, ma'am.
No. Fahad, don't go for that. That is a sentence. You are not going for sentence for it. We'll go next level, we'll go to sentence, okay?
Ma'am, it's a story, ma'am. So I asked, ma'am.
No, you not be sorry. Eh? I think we are friends. Don't ask sorry. It's okay. I'm not telling that what you asked was wrong. Please don't take me otherwise. I'm telling you not to confuse your mind. If you go for the old
Okay.
man, what happens? You get confused with this. That concept I'll come later because still I have not gone to sentence at all. I have not taken a single sentence for you. Have I taken sentence? No, I'm only giving you the rules and regulations of articles. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
No doubt
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
No
No,
doubt? Okay. You finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. When you take the common noun, which are unique, okay, when we speak about common noun, but they are unique. Then we use article the before them. Though they are common, we speak about them common, but they are unique of their own kind. Unique means what? ಒಂದೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Example, can I give? See, these are all only unique, one of its kind. You cannot find any other one like this. See, you have only one moon. That's why it is unique of your kind. We have got only one sun, we have got only one moon. That's why we always address them with the sun. The sun rises in the east. Don't you say? The sun rises in the east. Because only one direction east we have got. We don't have another. See how we are representing. Though they are common now. Though they are nouns, they are common now. But because they are one of its kind, we address them with applied article the. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, when we speak about common nouns, but they are unique of their own kind, then we use article, definite article the. Examples are these. See, you write the moon shines in the sky. You cannot write the moon shines in sky. No. See here, how do we address them? The oceans are creating depressions. See, commonly used things. Any doubts here, students?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, then write up. Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
See, actually, before the proper noun, we don't write article. Any article is not written. Yes or no? It is omitted there. But before proper noun, if adjective is being given or adjective clause is being given, see the condition. Before proper noun, if adjective or adjective clause is being given, what is the meaning of it? We have to give some importance to the proper noun by giving some adjective to it. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು noun ನ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ noun ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು appreciate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ then you have to add article the to the proper noun. But between the proper noun and the, there should be adjective. The great Caesar. If I write the Caesar, I make wrong. I really make a big mistake because before the proper noun you cannot write. The immortal Shakespeare. Then the Mr. Rao. See, though I'm not writing. The Mr. Rao, whom you met, he is my uncle. Because we are specifying. See, because we have given adjective, the Mr. Roy here is met my uncle. She is very proud to say that he is an uncle. That is a not, that is an adjective clause, though it does not come between the and Mr. Roy. But it is said that he is an uncle, he is a great personality. The Mr. Roy whom you met is my uncle. So we are speaking about the adjective clause. Then we add definite article the. Again here, the immortal, the person who does not have death, because Shakespeare is today also is alive in every walks of her life he is there. See, the great Caesar, this is an adjective. This is an adjective. Here, you met is my uncle, adjective clause. Understood? Any doubts?
No doubts.
Sure.
No, ma'am. No doubts, ma'am.
Yes, you should understand that's very important. If you have doubts, you can ask me. So return.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then, seventh one, with superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Degree of comparison. Very, very important concept. These are he is the youngest singer. So why the youngest? What is this? Superlative degree. Younger, youngest. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When you write superlative degree, youngest EST ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ದ ಬರೀಬೇಕು the darkest cloud
She is the best teacher.
this is
She is the best teacher.
she is
The best teacher in our school.
she is
The best teacher in our school.
the best teacher in our school. Best, good, better, best. Comparative, superlative degree. Whenever you get EST for the given word, verb, EST, 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 you have to add the before it. She is the most outstanding. Most is again the wrong way, but sometimes it is used. Most outstanding. Finished? Superlative degree? Any doubts?
2 minutes,
Today
ma'am.
no, today no doubts. Much.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute, don't run.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, right. You're finished, you let me know. So the following 5th of
Yes,
December.
ma'am.
Okay. December 5th, please note down. We'll be having a test which will be conducted. So I have finished one lesson. So on that lesson, I'll give test and grammar articles. That is till next Saturday. You have got time. So I think I'll be finishing off totally. Article I'll be finishing off. So for the examination point of view, you'll be having the gentleman of the jungle and the articles. Okay. So it may be for 10 marks, it may be 20 marks, whatever it is. Okay, be ready for it. 5th of December, you'll be having a test. Okay, shall I raise? Can I clean now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next where we write article the is before ordinal. What is ordinal? What is the meaning of ordinals? What is the meaning of ordinals? What's the meaning of ordinals? What is the meaning of ordinals?
Indicates the position of the.
Give me example, check me see. Understood? What are these? These are called as ordinals. This, and this. The ordinals we write different article. He is the first man to arrive. The 9th chapter in the book. The 2nd row students. The 5th player. Any doubts? You can write Virat Kohli is the 4th player in the list. The 4th player. You can write like that. Finished? Shall I clean? Then, before the musical instruments,
She played the guitar.
yes, he plays the flute well. Then, any other example? before the musical instruments. Finished? Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, right. Finished writing? For the adjectives, you have finished, I think that rest. When the noun is understood, example, the poor people are the sufferers. The richer are getting richer. See how am I speaking? Though this is a noun, it is understood. But what is it? Adjectives, very important. Very, very important is there even adjectives. Who are the adjectives here? The sufferers. But in general common use, we use this noun as in general. When it is understood that the poor, we are speaking of the whole class of the poor people. Then again the richer. Then the people, the student. So when you speak in general, when you are speaking about something quality about these nouns, then you should understand that you have to add different articles there.
Ma'am, the rich are getting richer now, ma'am.
The richer are getting richer or the rich are getting richer, both is correct. The
Okay.
richer are getting richer. When I am using are, the rich are getting richer will be again wrong. Rich is used for singular, richer is used for plural. When I am using subject plural, the verb also has to be plural.
Ma'am, but the rich is getting richer also won't be correct.
I am telling you now. Understand
Okay.
The rich is getting richer. Using the plural subject, I am using the plural verb. That is also correct. What you told also is correct. The rich is getting richer. The richer are getting richer is also correct. Because I am using the plural form.
Okay, ma'am.
Here also I am using the plural form. Here I am using the singular form. I am using the singular verb. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. You finish writing, let me know.
Ma'am, Richards will not come, ma'am.
Richest is not. It's not correct. Don't go for degree of comparison. The richest, he is getting richest does not make sense. The richer, we are speaking of the whole class of those rich people. See here also, the poor people. If I write the poor is the sufferer, also correct. If I write the poor is the sufferer, it's correct. Okay? But because I have taken these people, I have used plural form of the verb. We have understood the noun that we are speaking about in general about poor people, the richer people, the student. Okay, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Before the abbreviations, what is abbreviations? What's the meaning of abbreviations?
Ma'am, like short forms.
Forms of countries or cities. Very, very important is countries, names of countries. Abbreviation form of names of countries. Can you give me some example?
The USA.
Yes, why do we write the USA? Then,
The UK.
yes. Do we write the India?
No, ma'am.
We never write this. Then why we write for this? USA.
Ma'am, it is different. United States of America.
No, it's not
But
different.
India. Ma'am, but India, it can't be given as like an abbreviation.
No, actually, not abbreviation. It is not like that. I'll give you what exactly is the reason. When you say United States, this is the plural form. Many states together form America. The US are also like this one. United Soviet Russia, states of Russia. Only these 3 or 4 have got this name. We don't write the Australia, the India, the Pakistan, the West Bengal, the Sri Lanka. We never write anything in front of the proper noun. We never write. But there is one condition or a no, there is exceptional because these are states. Plural form. United States of America. Only in that condition. The UK, the United Kingdom. Because there are many states together forming this country. It is not like us.
The PRC.
Also made of states. The states of India we write. The state of India also we write. The Karnataka we can write? No. Karnataka state only we write because it's singular. But if you write 3 to 4, the states of India. Because we are taking 3 to 4 states. But when you write the state, you cannot write the state. We can write only Karnataka state. The Karnataka state we cannot write. We cannot write the Andhra Pradesh, the Tamil Nadu. No. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, it has to come without any article. There the article is being omitted or omission is being done to the article. But this has one different exception for USA, USSR and UK. They keep this abbreviation form because they have an abbreviation form because they are formed together. Many states are formed together to form one nation. That's why it is being called as United States of America. If it was United States of America, then no article would be given to them.
Ma'am, we will write A India.
We don't write any article. No article before all these names of the countries, except this abbreviation. Where there is abbreviation, we write that. That too only for the names of the countries, not for any other abbreviation.
I'm also like Democratic Republic, they'll tell now, ma'am. Like the Democratic Republic of Congo, like that.
What
That is
okay, tell me. The democratic, what is democratic? The
I'm not.
democratic,
That I said.
the democratic Congo you tell. Okay? Of peoples. There we use people. We don't use people. So we use people, we don't use people.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it has been again given the same way, the democratic. We call it like this only. The abbreviations keep in mind names of the country has to be represented with different article. But you write the rest of the any country you write, you are not going to write any article. I'm not telling you to write A or an. No article is there. You're not going to write any article there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I have totally given you 8 points. Yesterday I
Ma'am, we can't write the Russian people, ma'am.
No. People you can write, the Russian people you can write. Because you're specifying there, you're writing about the people. The Indian citizens you can write. Then it becomes the India citizen you cannot write.
The Indians, the Americans, like that.
The Indians, the Americans. We are speaking about the people, nothing. Where are you? I am the Indian citizen, you can say. I am a Indian citizen also, you can say. That is also correct.
I am an Indian citizen, also correct.
That is also correct. A citizen, when you write a citizen, when you say a Indian, I am an Indian. You will not write I am a Indian. When you write a citizen of India.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it changes, totally concept changes then. Then we are representing ourselves with that nation only. I am an Indian is correct. I am a citizen of India is correct. I am the Indian citizen also is correct because there it is not India, it is Indian. You are speaking about your identity. Okay, got it?
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
8 major points what are there for articles. So I want each one of you sitting there, read what I have given since yesterday, where you have to add a and where you have to add the. The is very difficult. Totally 8 points are given where to add and where not to add. So keep in mind those 8 points. And tomorrow I will do with omission of articles, where we don't write any articles. There is some part we don't need any articles. Omission it is called, or omitted. Tomorrow I shall begin that. I shall continue. And don't forget, on 5th of December, we'll be having one test. I don't know the marks because it has not yet been decided. But one gentleman of the jungle, as I have finished. If I finish the following week the school board, then I'll be doing that also for the test. Because article will take some more time, I have to give from the textbook, that's very important. If I finish the school board, I will upload the notes for you, so it will be easy for you with one summary and some 1 mark questions, how many ever available, apart from the textbook or including of the textbook also. You found the notes easy, but 6 marks is very important, be very careful. Okay? My class today?
Ma'am, the 1 mark and 4 mark questions I have written, ma'am. The 6 mark questions, shall
I told you not to write. Now, just take a copy of it. Just that is very important. Take a photocopy of it. That is very, very important. And if the page is like this, if your notebook is like this, the top part you just glue it off here. So that's very easy for you to turn on it.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very easy. On your notebook only, where you have written 1 mark question, at the last, you just glue to the top of it. You can glue this side also, you can glue this side. Just glue one side to the sheet so that it's very easy for you to turn and read.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to write. If you read correctly, you have any doubts regarding the gentleman level, I'm ready to explain once more. Or I shall begin with the school one.
Ma'am, 1 marks and 2 marks we can write on in textbook only, ma'am.
No 2 mark in first PUC. Only 1 mark, 4 marks, 6 marks.
Yes, ma'am. 1 marks small answers like true or false and 1 word answers we can write in textbook only.
Oh, what is there in the textbook? That let it be in the textbook. What I have sent you the notes. That I wanted to maintain the notes. But once the college starts, I'll be checking all those things. So whenever you are free, because anyhow I'm taking only 4 days a week. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday you'll be free. Whenever I'm finishing and uploading the notes, immediately sit down and write. Okay?
Okay.
So to write. Even summary of the next poem when I give to you, need not write because there will be only one summary for that. You can just take one photocopy of it and glue to your sheet, to your book. So that when you want to read, when you want to study, then you should not tell me, ma'am, I'm lost with my notes. I don't want that. 1 mark questions, what I said, I want you to write for the school board. Okay? Done? Shall I end my class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Understood? No doubts? You go back home now.